Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a straight ally flag. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and maybe share this with a friend. All of that really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. All right, so to get started, I'm going to draw 7 lines. And I'm gonna try to make them about the same width across, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And of course, you can use a ruler if you want, but I'm not doing that here today. But you can totally use a ruler if you want to. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more. 7. All right, I'm just gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to draw a line going down this way, and same on this side. So now we've got a rectangle with our 7 lines going through. So next, I'm gonna start here and on this side, and I'm gonna draw an upside down V, and the point is gonna be here in the middle. So I started my 2 little lines here, and the middle, like about right here. So I'm gonna do my best to match all of this up. And as I said before, you could use a ruler, but I'm not doing that here today. Just kind of eyeballing it. Okay, so there we go. We got our upside down V. Next, let's see. We're gonna go to right here. So 1, 2, 3. Your third last line. We can do like a little dot here in the middle. And we're going to do another upside down V. Like that. All right, so we've got our shape all done out, and now we've got to add our colors. So this inside shape here, we're going to have our nice rainbow colors, our red, orange, yellow, all of those beautiful colors. And we're also going to have our black and white here in the back. And we are ready to get coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!